What?
Oh, he got his ball.
Oh, he has ball. He's running. He's
Oh
running.
man, he's fast. Oh, I know. That's some timing, right?
You want the ball? Go get your ball. Go get that ball. Go get that ball.
You catch him.
No, I want to see him escape.
Oh, catch him. Throw it over here.
He escaped.
Yeah, let me hand the ball. Yeah.
He
Look.
escaped you. He's running. He's a running. Go get that ball. Go get that ball. I like how he just chomped. He doesn't know he can get up from there.
We need
No, he lost the ball. He's running. He ran.
Hey, can you get the the puppy raft, or at least can you hand us his puppy raft? Come here, you. Whoa.
He thought he was on land.
What? What other one? I don't know, yeah. Yeah.
Well, that must hurt.
Yeah, a little bit.
He really wants to get that house.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't put the thing on him very good, though. Oh. What?
I think he just wants to kill that hose.
Yeah, let me see if I can get this. Well, let's just let him paddle for a while.
He's trying to use the stainless jump.
Where's the ball? Oh.
He's a bird. He's a bird. Oh no. It's rain time. It's raining. He wanted to kill it. He wanted to kill it. Hear him. Oh, he's not even going for it. He's not even going. Get him, get him. I think he was just trying to stand there. He must get the hole. Yeah. This is training a dog to swim. This is how you train a dog to swim. Now he's happy with his. Now he's happy with his performance. How do you shake while you're in water?
I don't know, you do it.
I can't. Yes, first. Well, I mean, it's not as dry.
Look at his little shark fin. Are you ready? Get it. No?
I think he's a tired guy.
Wow, he needs to exercise.
Well, he was sitting there attacking the poor lawn guy.
I know. Look at her.
Go get it. Oh, it's a big monstrous pup right here. Big boy. Good boy. Huh? Hey, look.
Man, where's that other rat? Yeah. It feels better than this one.
Puppy. That's a little close.
You won't go in the water unless it's absolutely necessary.
Actually, that stuff's good for the dog.
Ready? No?
Where's the other rat? He's going. No, not the duck. Not the duck.
I think it's trouble. You gotta like help him up a little bit. Just grab the handle there and help him up. Boost him up. There you go. There you go.
Miss.
Oh, you both.
Yes, that. You big one. Oh. He's still on. My fingers. You're big. You're big.
Yeah, are you making like tidal waves?
I'm trying to.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm marching to the oh, like it's
Well, that's good news. Who would do such a thing?
No. Wait, let's get to the deep end first.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Oh, please. Hey, you're cheating, Marco Polo. You open his eyes. No, I feel barbecue.
No, it's the weed eater. It's certainly not a barbecue smell.
Now it's just a distraction. Now it's time for my ultimate form.
All right. You want to play Marco Polo before we get out? And we have Wolf Puppy to help us in case.
I won the staring contest.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
You're blinking.
You're allowed to blink in staring contests. But you can't look away.
Oh,
Which you did. You looked away. Not only are you blinking, you hold your eyelids closed. That's cheating for sure.
No, what does it mean to?
Oh, what's over there?
You looked for a second.
Oh no, a bee!
I wouldn't do that. Ow. You looked away! You looked away.
I don't think that's accurate.
Yeah, he was like...
You looked away.
No.
You did, I saw you.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, you did.
You looked away.
You did.
You looked away.
No. No.
Yeah.
I have video evidence of you looking away.
What about you?
There's no video evidence.
Then you looked away.
No.
Yeah.
There's no evidence. There's no proof.
You looked away.
No. No. No.
They can see it from the camera.
No. There's no evidence. None.
Mom's watching.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. She's always on your side no matter what.
Okay, then what can you say about the camera seeing things? Why would the camera suddenly look in the freaking sky?
It only sees you doing it.
Why would the camera look into the sky?
Because the camera's on my team.
And the camera's on your head.
Yeah, but it moves all by itself.
No.
Yeah, watch. See? It's moving all by
You're
itself.
looking up.
No, my head is straight and I'm looking right at you. The camera just moves around on its own.
Wow, you're definitely looking at me. Who believes me?
Nobody. Everybody believes Pop. You ready to go in yet? I do
There's
not.
only one more thing I have to do. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing that? That's scary.
Because I'm preparing
Oh,
for
there's
your
a
doom.
doggy.
Oh.
It's just a little bird. Anyway. Can you just turn around?
No, you're going to do mean things.
No, I won't.
Yes,
I
because you're a
promise.
criminal.
I
No,
promise. It'll be a lot worse if I'm in the car.
criminal. No, go away. over, Johnny. It's over.
You want to know?
It's over for you, Johnny.
Go ahead.
It's over for you, Johnny. You must die. You must die. Surrender. Ow. Surrender.
Why would I do that?
If you do not, you will be tortured.
Why?
Mm.
Does everyone agree that shouldn't be tortured?
Go away. Evil little boy. Evil. All right. I surrender.
Or lay on your back.
No.
Yes.
No, you don't. You're mean.
Ow!
Oh, twist that right off of you. Wedgie time. Hey, there's so many mean things that are about to happen.
I don't like those.
Oh, the noogies?
No.
The wedgies?
No.
The arm twisties?
I don't like you.
Oh,
Stop me.
there's a wolf puppy.
No, don't do this. Don't do this. He's just nibbling.
Here, wolf puppy.
No.
You can nibble on his ears, wolf puppy.
Yeah. Ignore it.